morning, guys. Today is our trip to Southern for door-to-door installation. Very early morning, so we travel again with our team. With Saga also. This time we will be install headlamp for freeway, power tailgate X70. So we have a freeway freeway headlamp, about 4 piece, power tailgates, and the harness for Saga, and the tools box, something like that. Now it's around 9 AM, so let's head up with breakfast. Let's see together. Continue our trip. Just now we are having our breakfast in Kapong. Not so special, so we did not film it. Now start direct to Melaka first for our lunch. Take about 2 hours. Have a good sleep. Let my driver. Bye. Yes, finally we reach Melaka. Here is Batu Berendam. We're gonna to eat the chicken rice cube, but because of the COVID, the boss did not open for dine-in, so we will tapao, take away, and then go to nearby food court for our lunch. So now we're heading for the lunch. Let's find my guys. So we are heading to food court due to COVID-19. Many shops did not open for dining for safety purpose. So we're having our lunch. Chicken rice cube. Hainanese chicken. Okay. Sio. We dropped by snack drinks for coconut shake. Batu Berendam. Can you see me? Yes, okay. We go to check our coconut shake. Batu Berendam. Nice, very nice. After this, we will straight go to JB. Let's check in first. Follow procedure. SOP. Remember SOP. Order special. They changed the counter already. Before MCO it's not like this. And they gather all together to easy for ordering because of the COVID lah. We reach JB Homestay. Okay, just now we very rush install a freeway projector headlamp without filming because too rush already. So we just check in homestay first and then wait for another customer to arrive to check in also for the installation of the outboard Saga stage 2. Okay, we continue our vlog later. We film more, try to be film more lah, because 2 pack of the very good sky. Just finished raining, you see. Very good. But here too dark. Never mind. See you guys. We continue the journey of homestay. So let's see what's this homestay. It's a single story homes. Car Porsche consider big. Can be 2 sedan. Not sedan. Okay, let's see inside. We got a TV box provided and a Nintendo play game. This is 32, I think 32 LED TV. Very good. And a manual. Very thick manual. You can see. Later we study it. So many. You got a video, key arrangement. Very good homestay. And a TV box, Nintendo. Wallow. Kind of good relaxed place here. And 2 room, 2 bedroom. Our bed. Master room got a nothing special. Same design. Dining table and a kitchen. Full set of equipment if you want to cook. Very good. And the reasonable price also. You can earn some entertainment here. My favorite. 3rd room. We got a 3rd room here. Very good. And the toilet. Refrigerator. Okay. Good morning, guys. Southern installation trip day 2. Yesterday a little bit relaxed. So let you see what we're doing yesterday. So we were having some healthy mahjong. No coin, no catch, no bet. A 3-bedroom. Kind of messy, you see. Later we go to yes. Last night we did some interesting thing. Morning already, so we did not review, but let you see. Yesterday night we ate this very good taste Nestle Musang King. First time for 3 of us eating this Musang King. Very good taste, really good taste, and not so expensive. You guys can make a try later. Now about 10, we go out for breakfast and then head up to customer house for X70 powerboat. Today will be 2 unit X70 powerboat installation door to door, and then come back our homestay for another projector installation. Yes, just now in the first powerboat, it's a big rain, so we cannot film the vlog. But arrived in the second destination, you can see the rain even louder than me. If you can't hear it as normal. So we took customer car, come to the Tesco parking area to do our installation because customer place don't have power, so we have to move on this area for the power station, power tailgate installation. Around 1 hour we will finish this installation, so I will not filming now. Enjoy them to installation. Bye. Hi guys, sorry about my just finished the bath, so very the night already. Now about 2 a.m. Filming this end of vlog because of some feeling to tell what we are doing here, doing on our business. We are on door to door. I can't hold my hair. I can't feel very ugly. Okay, never mind. Because we are on door to door service installation, even though we are going outstation, now we are in the southern installation trip. So we will going to northern also, even east coast. If their orders is enough, we're going to the destination that you are requested. Depends on the job, depends on the requirement. We can PM us for orders requirement. If enough job, we do it. Okay, let's compare, because before that, before MCO, on X70 powerboat, very hot, very famous. We're doing many of the powerboat. So now, because of the RMCO, the requirement, the sales order will be dropped down. It's normal, never mind. So this time we were more on relaxing on the door-to-door servicing. We also install 2 X70 powerboat and some projector for freeway. Very relaxed, very good, because me more on servicing on let you better. So my colleague is playing game here because the last day of the installation trip, tomorrow we will head back to our home base, Subang Jaya, for weekend installation. So today we'll be filming something experience compared to before MCO happened. We very busy. Even we can't get any proper lunch. Never mind. I don't know what I'm talking. Blah blah blah. For our door-to-door installation, usually we will gather a place. Let's say in Southern, we will gathering in more stay. Let's say homestay, and then customer will come to our homestay for modified, for installation, for whatever service we are providing. So we will save the time for the travel for our station. For Klang Valley, we will based on Subang Jaya. When you come here, we will deliver the service to you. If for our station, we will gather in one place to deliver the service to you. So this is our method of servicing, method of installation. to let you guys know what we are actually doing in our business trend. I don't know what I'm saying. See you guys tomorrow for the Saga Stage 2 installation. We will still got one destination to go. We will go to INR Senawang because we are in the southern installation trip. So if you're in southern, we will deliver the service if the timing is matching, because based on the timings also and the appointment also. So see you guys tomorrow on the Saga Stage 2 installation DRL. See ya. Good morning. Southern trip installation, last day. Now we are having our breakfast in homestay and also playing game, the legend of Bomberman. So, and having our breakfast with egg tart from a homemade what do you call that, homemade egg tart, and we buy a lot of snack for our supper. After this, we were heading to Senawang for our last installation for this ending for the southern installation trip. If you guys like our video, please share it out, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do subscribe and click the bell button. But if you feel that the notification is very ignored, don't click the bell button. Just follow us. See you guys in next installation trip. Let's say Northern East Coast. Wait for your PM, wait for your order.